Wake up, brain, it's time to play. Stretch your thoughts in a clever way. Count and spell, clap 1, 2, 3. Smart ideas come to me. Read a book or solve a clue. Draw a shape or learn something new. When we think and try with might, our brains grow big and bright. Brain gym time, let's move and learn. Every thought makes your knowledge turn. Jump for joy, spin with fun. Strong, smart minds for everyone. Wriggle fingers, touch your nose. Think of places your mind goes. Every puzzle, game, and test makes our brain its very best. Brain gym solve.